What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre Black Digital, and today we're going to dive into a review for 10x income system. And with this review, we're going to go over how this system works and how you can get started. And also, we're going to go over basically is this really real? Is it legit? And is people really making money? But we're going to dive into it right now. And basically, this website right here is the exact landing page that this program is and is all about. And once you join, you'll be able to use this same exact landing page as well. So just to start off, this program, I believe, been around just for about 2 months. So it's brand new, which means it's very good if you're an affiliate marketer or just getting started online, because it's not saturated and not everybody's promoting it because it's a brand new opportunity. But if we scroll down, it's going to say the free video reveals a proven 3-step method that will help you make unlimited $297 commissions. So with this program, you're essentially learning 3 methods that you'll see in this video taught by Tavey, which is the CEO and founder of this program. She's going to teach you exactly what you guys need to get started. She's going to teach you the 3 main steps you need to run this online business or any online business, even outside of this program. So it's very important that you guys pay attention to this video if you guys are watching it. And if you guys want to watch this video, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to do that. But the good thing about this program is that it requires no experience. It's not complicated to do. You don't need any tech skills or anything like that to be able to do it. And everything's pretty much done for you. So you don't need to make a website. They provide you a website. You don't need to run ads or need to know how to do any Facebook posting, group posting, no recruiting, none of that. They do all of that for you. It's 100% passive income and 100% traffic on autopilot. Inside the program, Tavey, which is the founder of this program, runs a traffic agency in which you can buy the traffic directly inside the program to run to your affiliate link, and that traffic will help you convert into sales. So if you're just getting started, if you're not so good at this, or you tried stuff in the past that didn't work because you couldn't get signups, this is the perfect opportunity for you to do and get started, because the traffic is given to you. You don't have to run ads on Google or YouTube or Facebook or anything like that. You buy the traffic, you show the link to those people, and then you get your sales. It's that simple. It's pretty easy. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this is Tavey. This is her back office. Over $207,000. And if we keep scrolling down, you're going to see more and more testimonials. So from people inside the actual group, there has been people who made money from this. And as you can see, if we go over to my Stripe account right here, we can see how much I made in the past 2 months. So as you can see, it's over $5,000, almost $10,000 in affiliate income from this